How to undo your astrological profile on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video, I will show you how you can undo your astrological profile on Snapchat, which means to remove it. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now currently, if I come to my profile page, you'll be able to see my astrological sign Pisces over here. If I tap on it, this is basically my astrological profile. But what if you want to remove this profile? Well, it is very simple to do so. After you open Snapchat, log into your account and then you come to your profile page, you have to tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then over here, you want to scroll to the option called birthday. Once you come to birthday, here you will see your astrological birthday, and all you have to do is just tap on the cross icon right next to it, and it says to clear your astrological birthday. Now when you tap on the clear option, it is going to delete your astrological profile and then just undo it. And that's all it takes to undo your astrological profile on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.